Good morning.
Hello, hi everyone. Sorry I'm late. I just have a meeting. Already finished. Okay, now okay, can we start now? Already late, right? Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Where is the note? Okay, hold on. Okay, hi everyone. Can you see the slide? No.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, sorry I'm late. I just finished the meeting and then it is with Prof. Azmi, the research center head, research institute head. Okay, now we are in week 12. So the final week for this semester. So this is the last topic, which is on definition of moment of inertia. Okay, for area, radius of duration of an area. So today objective is you all should know how to find the moment of inertia, and then you should know how to integrate using the formula. The moment of inertia is for area. Okay, there's a few activities will be you all will be doing the quiz, and then there's a group problem solving. Okay. I think we don't have much time to do Kahoot, right? So I just continue. Okay. For moment of inertia, there's a few application that relate to moment of inertia for area. For example, like these two image here, it shows you the beams. So this one is I beam. Okay, this one also is I beam, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I beam. So this uh, this structure has a different shape, right? There's a I or H. This one H. Which one H? This one H. And then C. So why is it the shape is like that? Then how we want to find the cross section area? Okay, how it relates to the moment of inertia? So how do we last week you have looked at the center of gravity, right? You find if the shape is for example this one I shape, you need to find the center of gravity. So for moment of inertia, how you want to find the moment of inertia of this shape structure of this structure? So later I will show you. So now another example is a structure of a tube or square or round pipe. So how you want to find the the center of gravity, and then how you want to find the moment of inertia of this structure? Okay, why you need to find the center of gravity, and then why you need to find the moment of inertia? Have you all uh, know about it? Why you need to find the center of gravity? No. Hello. Is anyone here? Yeah,
Yes, Ate.
how many of you are? 63 of you. 63. Okay. Okay, now let me continue. Okay, now let us look at the definition of moment of inertia. So, for example, this plate, okay, and then you submerge in a liquid, okay, you press down this plate, okay, on this surface there's a pressure, so the pressure is equals to gamma y. So, for example, at this rectangle area here, you label it as dA. So how you want to relate the force and the pressure that react at this column? So it equals to pressure times dA. Hello? How is it? Okay, now the integral or the integration of the term is referred to the moment of inertia. This one is based on the axis. If you based on x or y. Okay, for example, like this beam. This beam is on top of R and S. So if the beam has a different shape, they maybe have a I shape, or this one vertical shape and a horizontal shape. So if you find the total area, you assume all are the same. So how you want to find the moment of inertia? How you want to relate it? It's okay if you have not read the notes. Okay, for example, there's a x and y axis here. Okay, you want to find the differential area for this plate. So for moment of inertia at x is equals to the distance y square dA. And then for axis at y is equal to the x square times dA. And then for the z-axis, it equals to r square dA. Is how the moment of inertia relate to this area. So if you want to find the moment of inertia for Ix, is the integration of y square dA, and then you want to find the moment of inertia at y-axis is equals to x square dA, and then for z is equals to r square. So r square is equal to what? When you want to relate with x and y, so you will get the r square. This one, the moment of inertia for z-axis, or it is also equals to ix plus iy. And then don't forget the unit for moment of inertia is meter power 4 or inch power 4. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry. My microphone is not working. Hold on, hold on. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello? Can you all hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Hello?
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, it's me.
Okay. Okay. Now let me continue. Okay, for moment of inertia, these are the important formula that you need to memorize. So moment of inertia for x-axis is equal to the integration of y squared dA, and then for moment of inertia for y-axis is equal to integration of x2 dA, and this one for z-axis. So this you must have to memorize it, and then don't forget to write the unit. Each unit will give you 1 marks. Okay, now let us see the step by step on how to solve the question that relate to the moment of inertia for area. Okay, don't forget this one for area. This like the step is almost the same like last chapter 9, where you need to assume it is in a rectangle column, then you need to find the x and the ay. Okay, so there's a few steps that you all need to memorize, which is the first one. You need to choose which is it is a vertical or horizontal strip. Okay, so for vertical, it is for y. Don't forget y must be y times dA, and then for horizontal, it is on ix, moment of inertia x. Okay. Okay, hold on. Why is it not functioning? Okay. Okay, this one, the important thing that you all need to look at. Okay, for horizontal, it it is for determining the ix. So horizontal is for ix, and then vertical iy. You have to choose. First step, you need to choose vertical or horizontal. And then the next step, if the situation, the y is easy to express. For example, like this one, y is equal to x squared plus 1. So it is easy to express it in y axis. So you have to choose vertical. So you have to choose vertical. Okay, if y is easy to express. If not, you have to use another form, which is horizontal. Okay, and then you need to integrate using the formula. Okay, this one I showed you before. Okay. Okay, now okay, later we show you if the question already give you the shape of the strip, which is vertical or horizontal, then you need to have to use the what you call that one, the strip shape. So there's another equation which is like this one at the bottom here. You need to use this formula, new formula. It is not like the previous one, which is y square dA. So later I will show you how to use and why you need to use this equation. So for this example here, this shape is y power of 3 equals to x2. So you need to find the moment of inertia of the area about the x and y. So you need to find Ix and Iy. So how you want to find it? You need to you need to make sure you have you follow this step. Okay, the first one you need to choose vertical or horizontal strip. So in this situation, which one is much easier? So in this situation, which one is much easier? First step, you need to choose. Okay. Okay, for vertical, vertical is Iy, and then horizontal Ix. So in this situation, which one you prefer? So you need to use both. Okay, you first, you have to use horizontal because you want to find Ix, and then you can use vertical to find Iy. This is the first step. And then let us see. Okay, and then 1b. You can see here this one is not an easy to it's not an easy y uh, terms, right? Because there's a power of 3. If it is not easy, then you have to use a horizontal. You want to find the element at the x. Okay? Okay, and then the second step, how you want to find, how you want to use this. This is a common one, Ix equals to y squared dA, so you just have to use this shape. But how about the Iy? Right. Hey, I'm sorry, it's not this one. What I mean is this one. This one, if the element is in a vertical one. If vertical, then you have to use the Ix, this equation compared to the one that you have known before, which is y squared. Okay, for example, in details, okay, because you want to find the Ix is horizontal. So the formula for Ix is the integration of y squared dA. So you just fill in what is the dA. You need to find the dA. What is the dA? dA is the area. How you want to find the area of this horizontal strip here? You want to find the area. It is a 1 along this one from origin until at the end here. This one is 1. 1 minus x. X is from here to here. So then you will get the length of this rectangle. So the length is 1 minus x. So you know the dA. So, and then for x, you have to elaborate it from this y value here, y power of 3 equals to x squared. So you will get, what is it? Y power of 3 equals to x squared. So you want to find the x. So it will be x, y, 3 and then set, or it also equals to y 3 2. So just replace it back because you want to find the derivation for y. That's why you need to change the x to y. So then you fill in back this dA into the equation. Now you will have the integration of from 0 until 1 y squared times 1 minus y 3 power 3 over 2 dy. So you just uh, do the integration, and then you will get 1 over 3 y power 3 minus 2 over 9 y 9 power 2, and then 0 0.1. So you just fill in the 1, and then you will get 0.111 meter power 4. Okay, now you have done. You have find the moment of inertia for x. Next, you want to find the moment of inertia at y-axis. So how? Because you have choose horizontal. This one for ix, right? And then for iy will be vertical. So the formula for iy is integration of x squared dA. So from here, you need to find the dA. So how about dA? The dA is y dx. The bottom here is a dx. So y times dx is dA. Okay, is equals to y times dx, the area. So just fill in back. So it will be x squared y dx. Okay, this one, the derivation is on x. So you have to change this y with x. So how? It is from the curve here. Y power of 3 equals to x squared. So you want to find the x, so it will be what? You want to replace y, so you have to change this one, would be x 2 3. So you fill in back at the equation, you will get x squared times x power of 2 3 dx. So now you can do the integration because all the element is the same, which is x. So when you do the integration, it will be x, it will be 3 over 11, x power of 11 over 3. So you can solve this. You will get 0.273 meter power of 4. Okay, you have done actually. You have find the ix, and then you have find the iy. So another method, okay, from if you choose just one shape, okay, another method, if you choose for example like this one, vertical. From this vertical, you can find ix. Okay, last time I show you, right, if you want to find ix, you make sure the strip is horizontal, and then if you want to find iy, it should the shape would be vertical, right? Okay, for moment of inertia, there's another step. From this vertical shape, you can also find ix. So how? You have to use another formula, which is this formula. 1 over 3 y power of 3 dx. There's another trick. Okay. It is it is much easier if you choose ix for horizontal and then vertical iy. But I would like to tell you another trick. If you just choose one shape, you can find iy and ix, but the formula is different for ix. Okay, for ix you have to use this formula, 1 over 3 y power 3 dx. So now the derivation is on x, so you need to change this y with x. So it is from the curve. So you need to replace the y3, this one y3, so it will be x squared. We just change it into x squared. So 1 over 3 x squared dx. So you do the integration and then you will get 0.111 meter power 4. You can check back, is it correct or not? If you just use this kind of solution, or you choose 1 you can check it. Is it the same like the first step? You see, the answer is the same. But remember, the equation is different. You cannot um, use this kind of shape, but the equation you did not change it according to the rule. Okay, make sure the one like this one. Okay. Okay, let me show you back. Okay, the origin, the first step is, okay, let me remind you back. Okay, if you choose ix, the first step is for this one horizontal ix, and then vertical is iy, right? This one, the one I taught you, the first solution or the first step. Horizontal must have used to find the ix, and then the vertical for iy. Okay, for this first step, the equation is on top here. Ix is equal to integration of y squared dA, and then iy is equal to x squared dA. Okay, this one it is just for this equation. Okay, another solution that you can find the ix and iy is by choose a one shape. Okay, I need to change the color. This one is the first step, the first solution. Second solution, if you want to find the ix and y, you can just choose one shape. Okay, this one, you all know that it is for iy. From this single shape, the vertical strip, you can find ix, but the equation is different compared to the first one. So you can also find ix, but you need to refer to this equation for ix. Iy, you can choose the same one. Iy is equals to the integration of x squared dA, like the top equation. But for ix, you have to use another equation. This one is equal to integration of 1 over 3 y power of 3 dx. Okay, so there's a two solution that you can follow. If you want to choose the first one, you have to use this equation. If you choose the second one, you have to use at the bottom equation. So there's a difference between these two steps. Okay, don't forget. Okay. You can look back at the example. Okay, this one the first step, ix y squared dA, and then iy x squared dA. Okay, another one, this one is the second step. You want to find the ix, but just use one shape, one vertical shape. Okay, this one there's a two shape, which is horizontal and vertical. But for at the bottom you just a vertical. So make sure you all know. Okay, now I would like you all to do this quiz. Okay, in this figure, you can see the right one here. What is the differential moment of inertia of the element with respect to y-axis? So you can see here, it is in a horizontal. So what is the answer? I will give you 2 minutes. Try to think. Okay, what is the answer for this question? Can you answer it? No. No. Where's, okay, what is the answer for this question? Hello everyone. D. Okay, let me see. Is it D? Yeah. The answer is D. How you find the D? Who can answer it? Okay, Harpreet Singh. How you find it? How you find it is D? Hello? Can you tell me? Okay, why? Why is it 1 over 3 of y? How do you know? You can write it here. Can you write it here? No, you cannot write it. Yeah. Okay, how do you know? The answer is D. Explain it. Hello. How you find it? Just try. Okay, how about Muhammad Shalihin? Why you answer D? By using the formula, okay. Which formula? Which formula that you use? The answer is correct, but I want to know how you find it. Yeah, you're correct because it respect to y-axis. So you need to find the y. Okay, you correct? Okay, now let us do another example. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes. You all try to solve this question. I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, this curve has a y equal h over b power of 3 x power of 3. So given here a vertical strip. So they're given here also dx and dy. This one is y, and then at the bottom here dx. So you know the dA. Then you need to find the ix and ry of the area. So the plan is you need to follow the procedure that I given you step by step. Okay. So you have to solve this question in 10 minutes. So I will get back to you at 11:12. Okay, try to do it. You can discuss with your friend. Okay, please hold on. There's a problem with the... Okay, can you see the question? Okay, in 10 minutes, try to solve this question. Okay, hi everyone. Have you all done? What's the answer for Ix? Moment of inertia at X. Okay, what is the moment of inertia at X? Hello, hi everyone. What's the answer? What is the value for Ix? You just have to use the formula and then do the integration. No one? Yeah, the answer is correct, Harpreet. Ix is equals to 1 over 30 bh power of 3. And then how about Iy? You just use the formula and then you do the integration, you will get the answer. Because the strip were given already. Okay, what is the answer for Iy? The moment of the show. Why? Yes, you again. So how about the rest? There's how many participants here? 74. But only one answer my question. Yeah, the answer correct, Harpreet. But how about the rest? Have you all tried? Have you all tried to solve the question? Okay, good. Good. If you did not try it, then you did not know how to use the equation, and then it will take time to all of you to study again after this, right? At least you know how to do it. Okay, now let me show you the step by step, because you just have to find the Ix and Iy. The shape is already given. It is not vertical. So the equation for Ix is equals to I over 3 y power of 3. So you just replace it back. This one is for x element, so you just have to rearrange this equation. No, because it's x again. Okay, now you just replace it. Y is equals to h over b power 3 x power 3. So you just fill in the formula. Then you will get h power of 3 b one times, right, 3 times 3, so it will be 9, so x9. Then you do the integration. Okay, and then when you do the integration, you will get 1 over 30 bh power 3. Okay, this one is not negative 2 and 0. Okay, just ignore. This 0 and b, from 0 until b. So you will get 1 over 30 bh3. Okay, now you know the ix, you need to find the iy. So you refer back, what is the formula for iy? Iy is equal to the integration of x squared and times dA. That is the formula. So you need to find the dA. Of course, you know dA is equals to y times dx. Right. So you replace this back at for dA. And then because it is based on the element for x, so you need to change y with x. So you just put back y equals to h over b3 times x power 3. So it will be h over b power 3 x power 3 dx, right? So you have to do the integration. Okay, where you put it back at the equation and then you do the integration. Okay, x power 2 plus x power 3 will be x power 5. So you do the integration, x power 5 plus 1 over the value. So it will be x6 over 6. So then you will get this one. It will be hx power 6. You have to do the integration, so it will be b6. When you cut it out, the only left is b power 3. So b power 3h over 6. Now you know the moment of inertia for ix and iy. So is it clear? Before I move on to another topic, subtopic, not topic, another subtopic. Is it clear? Everyone, is it okay? You just have to use the formula and then to do the integration. Make sure the element is all the same. Okay, if the derivative is on x element, so all must be x. You need to rearrange the equation. Okay, is it okay until now? Is there any question? Oh, I didn't check the chat. Okay, okay, clear, okay. Now let me have you okay, about the quiz, you can do it on your own. Okay, this is summary. You can refer back the summary. The formula for ix is equal to the integration of y squared dA, and then for iy is equal to the integration of x squared dA. If the question asks you about the moment of inertia dA, so you need to find the dA. Don't forget, the strip is in rectangle, so it will be dx times y or y times dy. Okay, don't forget about it. Okay, what else? Okay, for rectangle. Okay, this is the question. It is based on the equation. This is the main equation, so you need to remember. And then, if the rectangle area is parallel to the axis, okay, the another equation You must all remember. Okay, the second step. So on the first step, first solution, and then the second solution. Okay, don't forget, it is different, but the IY is the same. IY is same. Okay, now let us go through the next subtopic. Okay, can you all see the screen, the slide? Okay, good. So second subtopic is on the still the same, which is the moment of inertia, but the structure is in a composite. Okay, the last time I show you the shape is only single shape. So how about there's a more than one shape? How we want to find the moment of inertia? Okay, how you want to find? Not write it down. Okay, how you want to find the moment of inertia? Okay, how you want to find the moment of inertia when the shape is more than one? So this is a topic that you all will learn. Okay, there's a few activities that you can do, quiz, and then a group problem solving. Okay. Let us do a quick. Do you want to do the quiz? I think we don't have much time if we do the quiz. Okay, you can try it on your own, this quiz. Okay. There's another, of course you all know, for example, this shape is a composite where the length is different. That's why called composite. The length, the shape is so different, right? So that is a composite structure. For like this one, this H beam. Okay, you see the length is different. This both two is the same, and then at the middle, the shape is the same. So there's a two shape. So it is a composite shape. So how we want to find the moment of inertia for this shape? Okay, this one is okay. Okay, for composite, the equation that relate to the moment of inertia x, you have to use this equation: I bar ix bar plus a dy square. So what is the ix bar? What is the ix bar? Okay, ix bar is the center. Of gravity. And then what is the A? A is the area. So you need to find the area of the shape. Then what is the dy? Dy is the distance from the center. Okay, this is dy. I mean the length from the 0 until the center. So it will be the dy. Then the A area, of course you all know. Then the I bar is the center of gravity. Then for at the moment inertia for y, you have to use this equation. It is the same, but the center is on y. And this one for z axis. These are the three important equations that you all should know. Okay, now let us see the radius of the duration. Okay, this one, moment of inertia. Now we will look at the radius of the duration. The radius of the duration is known as kx or ky. This is the radius of duration. The example where the kx is. Kx is from the origin until the center. And then for y, at y-axis, origin until the center. So the formula to find the radius of the duration is for ky is equal to square of iy over a. And then for kx is ix over a, square kix over a. Then this one for z axis. It is another equation that you all should know. So the duration, the resolution is the unit of length. Okay, that gives you the indication of the spread of the area from the axis. Okay, how we want to use it? Later when you do the equation and the question, and you know how to use this equation. Now we look at the moment of inertia for a composite. Okay, last subtopic. Okay, I show you just only one shape, right? For example, this curve, right? But how about when there's a lot of structure in one body like this? This is called a composite. So how you want to find the moment of inertia? You want to find the Ix for this shape. It is complicated, right? Last subtopic is much easier. So the shape is just one. So how you want to find it? There's a few steps. There's a 4 steps. So let's see. There's a 4 step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for example, this is a composite body. You want to find the moment of inertia Ix and Iy. How you want to find it? First step, you need to divide the area. So there's in this shape there's a rectangle and then there's a circle. So you divide it to a simple shape. First rectangle and then circle. So this one is number 1 and then this one number 2. And then you have to locate the centroid of each part. So for rectangle, the centroid is at the middle here. And then for the square, the center is at the middle of the square. Okay, third step, you have to use the equation. Okay, this is the equation that I showed you before for Ix, and then there's a for Iy. Right, for Iy is equals to Iy bar plus E dx square. Don't forget to square. last semester, last 2 semester, there's a lot of students forget about the square. Okay. Okay, now step 4, you have to solve this question. Okay. The first step, I remind you back, first step you need to divide the area. Okay, there will be rectangle and square. And then you have to locate the centroid for each shape. It is not the summation, but you have to find the centroid for each shape. Okay. Okay, in this another point that you all should remember is this composite, there's a hollow shape. If the shape is hollow, you have to minus. Okay, you have to minus. The shape is hollow, so you minus the circle. Okay, these are 4 important steps. Okay, let us see the example. For example, this beam is a composite shape. Okay, there's more than one structure. This length is different from the top one. Okay, the top one there's a 50 mm and then 200 mm. The middle here 350. So at the bottom is same like at the top one. So given here the beam cross section area. Okay, they're given here, and then you need to find the moment of inertia of the area. Okay, don't forget moment of inertia area about the x-axis and the radius of duration kx. So there's a 2 point that you need to find, which is you need to find the ix and then you need to find kx. So you have to follow the step. First step, you need to divide the given area. So you need to divide this area. So you divide on top here as 1, middle here 2, and then the bottom here 3. So there's a 3. And then you have to locate the centroid of each part. So the centroid would be at this point, and then for this beam is at the middle, and then top here is at the middle here. So there's a different centroid for each part. Okay, third step, you have to use the equation. You want to find the Ix, so you have to just use the formula. Ix is equal to Ix bar here. Ix bar plus A dy square. So step 4, you have to solve it. So there's a 1, 2, 3 shape, and then the centroid. The centroid is different, okay? For 1, the centroid is equals to 50 plus 25. For 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the shape is horizontal, vertical plus horizontal. So the centroid is different. Okay, and the first one is 50 not 50. Okay, for the first one, the centroid is from the origin until the middle here. So it would be 150 plus 25. So the centroid for the first one is 175 mm. Okay. So for 2, the centroid is at the middle here. It would be 0. So this one is number 1. The centroid for number 2 is 0 because it is at the middle of the axis, x and y. And then how about number 3? With the centroid for number 3. It is at the bottom, so it will be negative. Negative 150 plus 25. 150 plus 25. The negative is just a direction. It's not a minus, okay? So it will be negative 175 mm. Because the length is 150 and 25. Negative is the direction at the bottom. Okay, now you know the centroid. So you need to move on to step 3. Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So step 3, you have to use the equation. The equation is Ix plus I bar x and plus the area and then the dy square. So the dy is the centroid. Okay. The dy here is the value of the centroid. The area, so you need to find the area for each part. So for area 1, area 2 and area 3. And then for Ix, how you want to find the Ix? Oh, this one is not plus, it's equal. So for area, okay, there's an area different 1, 2, 3, and then the Ix. How you want to find the Ix? Have you all tried to look at it? How you want to find the Ix? Okay, Ix is different for each shape. Okay, let me show you. Where is it? How you want to find the Ix bar? This is the Ix bar. Okay, make sure you look carefully the shape of the structure. If the shape is rectangle, the Ix is equal to 1 over 12 BH3. BH power of 3. If the question asks you to find Iy bar, it is equal to 1 over 12 B power of 3H for this shape. Okay, it's different. For triangle, Ix bar is different. 1 over 36 BH3. Then for X, 1 over 12 BH3. This one for circle. Circle is the same for Ix and Iy bar. 1 over 4 pi r power 4. This one semicircle, the Ix and Y is different. This one's quarter circle, and then this one for ellipse. You see the Ix and Y is different. So just now our question is on a rectangle. So Ix bar is equal to 1 over 12 BH3. BH power 3. So BH power 3. So you need to look back. So for our situation, it is equal to 1 over 12 BH3. Am I right? BH3, yeah. So how you want to solve this question? So you need to do one by one. Ixi bar plus ADY for the first shape, Ixi bar plus ADY square for the second shape, and then Ixi bar plus ADY square for third shape. So it would be what is equal to, okay, you want to find the Ix, right? The final one is equal to Ix first shape plus Ix second shape, then plus Ix third shape. So each of Ix is this equation. So the first one, let us do the first one. This one. Okay, the first one. So Ix is equal to Ix prime bar plus A dy square. So I bar for rectangle is 1 over 12 BH3. So B for the first shape, the B is 200. So it would be 200 times h power of 3. So the height of this rectangle is 50. So 50 power of 3, then plus the area. What is the area for the first part? The area is 50 times 200. So the first area is 50 times 200. And then how about the dy? Dy is the length from the centroid. So from 0 until that point is 175. So 175, don't forget the square. Okay, now you get the answer. You will have 3.08 times 10 power of 8 don't forget the unit, millimeter power of 4. Okay, here you have not done it yet. Okay, you only have done the first part. This part. There's a 2 and 3. So you need to do one by one. So the second one, where should I do it? Okay, the second one, Ix plus Ix bar plus A dy square. So this one goes. Okay, the I bar is for rectangle, so it is also the same, 1 over 12. Then the B is 50 times H is 300 power of 3, and then plus the area. What is the area? 50 times 300. So plus 50 times 300. And then how about the centroid, the length on the centroid? It is 0. So you have to times 0. So the only left is just a 1 over 12 times 50 times 300 power of 3. So what is the answer? What did you get? Okay, this one for part 2. Then how about part 3? Part 2. For part 3, Ix bar, Ix bar plus a dy square. So Ix bar is 1 over 12. Same thing. The b is 200. And then the h is 50. Don't forget 50 power of 3. Then plus the area. Area 200 times 50. 200 times 50. And then the dy. The dy is at the bottom. So it would be minus 75. Okay, minus 75. So now you solve this. You get the value which is the first one plus the second part and then plus the third part. Then you will get the answer for moment of inertia x. Okay, is it clear? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Okay, good. If there is no question, let us continue. Okay, this one I'll show you how to solve this. Okay, now you need to find the kx, right? The question asks about, you need to find the kx. Okay, let me show you. I don't have. You need to find the kx, the radius of the duration. So the radius of the radius of the duration is equal to sert Ix over A. Ix is the value that you sum the part 1, part 2 and 3. So you just fill in back and then you divide with the area value. The area must be the summation of all parts. This is the first part, then second part, and then the third part. Okay, so 7.291 times 10 power of 8, you divide with the total area. So you get 144 mm. This is the radius of duration for x. Okay. Now you can do it, the quiz. Okay, now let's try in 10 to 15 minutes. Try to do this question. This is a composite structure. The origin axis is at this point. Don't forget. Okay, you need to find the moment of inertia area for x-axis and you need to find the radius of the duration. So you need to find the kx and the moment of inertia ix and kx. So I will give you 10 to 15 minutes. Try to do it. So first step, you need to divide this shape into a simple part. So it would be this one, A. A is the rectangle. A is the rectangle. And then the B is the circle. And then the C is the triangle. This is the first step. Second step, what you need to do? You need to locate the centroid. Locate the centroid, the circle centroid, and then the triangle centroid. So the triangle centroid will be around this point, right? and then for B, the centroid would be here point, and then A is the total this square, okay, the total square. So now try to do it. The third step, you just use the formula for Ix is equals to I bar x prime plus a dy square. So the Ix bar is based on the shape, the different formula, and the area, of course you all know, for square, circle, and then triangle. Okay, and then the centroid. Okay, the centroid I will give you. Okay, we only have around 5 minutes, so I will try to do it. Okay, try to do it. I will give you the answer. Okay, for IXA is equals to 3.15 times 10 power of 9. Don't forget the unit. The unit is 1 mark. It will help you. Okay, and then IXB is equals to 4.2 times 10 power of 8 and 4. And then for the moment of inertia, IXC is equals to 1.0 times 10 power of 9 millimeter power of 4. And then for K, the radius of the duration, which is the Kx, will give you the answer. Okay, the Kx is equals to 146 millimeter. So I have already give you the answer. Try to do it. You must follow the rule, the step by step. There's a 4 step. So is there any question? Is there any question? No, everyone. Is there any question? Okay. In summary, for today, there's a two shape. If you want to find the moment of inertia, there's a two kind of shape, which is if the structure is single, you have to use integration. If the structure is in composite shape, you have to use this second type, which is the formula like this one. This is for composite shape. In the first part, I show you the integration solution. You have to use the integration to find the moment of inertia. But this one, you just have to use this formula for composite. So let me just so this one for Ix. Okay, we still have time, so I will show you. So this one Ix, the first part is A, this rectangle part, right? One I X bar, and the plus the area and the dy. Okay, you see the centroid is at the middle. middle is 150 for IX. A shape. B, the middle here would be 150. And then for triangle, what's the middle for triangle? It's 200. Why is it 200? Because it's 1/3. Okay, h/3. So h/3, the center is h/3. Right, this one would be 100. But you must find the length from the origin until the center point. So at this range, it will be 200. That's why the dy is 200. Okay, now you have to sum rectangle plus circle because it is hollow, and then you have to plus the triangle. That's why it is minus. You have to minus the hollow shape, and then you need to find the radius of deviation. So the Ix is the summation value over the total area. Okay, the total area. The total area also must according to if the structure is solid will be plus, if hollow minus. Don't forget about this two important thing. Okay, also. So if you do if you solve the question and don't solve this, you will get 146 mm. Okay, it's already 12. Don't forget to record your attendance, and then don't forget to do the survey. There's a lot of survey, SSRT survey, course outcome survey, and then there's a learning survey. So there would be 4 survey you need to do. Okay, don't forget to do it. Okay, we will have last quiz. It is on this chapter. The quiz would be on this Friday. So please look at the uLearn. I will announce it through uLearn. So there would the quiz 4 will be the last quiz for you all. And then don't forget to submit the assignment on Friday. Okay, don't forget to record your attendance. Okay, for the quiz, I will give you just one question. It is a multi-choice question, only one. Multi-choice question, one question. Okay, which time would you prefer on Friday? Oh, so early, 8 until 9? Do you prefer? Oh, 8 to 9 p.m. Before 3 p.m. Okay. Okay, I will upload. Okay, before 3 p.m. Okay, I will let you know in uLearn. Okay, don't forget to record your attendance. Do you have class after this? Okay, I would like to discuss about the EA question. Okay, for EA, there would be two questions. Okay, for EA, there's a two question, but each question there's a two sub question. So it will be 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. So make sure you all write down the solution step by step. Don't miss the step, because if you answer it wrong, I will try to find which uh, mm, which the best that I can help you to add on your marks. So please don't skip the steps. You must write the equation, the full solution, the full step by step. And then don't forget the unit. Don't try to shortcut the step, and then don't try to skip a few formula. Try to write it down as long as you can. Don't just, if you can see the marks is like 40 marks, how come you write the solution just half of your A4 paper? Does it seem right to you like a 40 marks question? You have to write it a longer step. Okay, I would love to try to help you all. Please try to write it a longer step, and then don't miss any formula, don't miss any units, and make sure you write it down any assumption, and then the direction must be correct, and then the axis. Okay, and then what else? Hmm. Make sure your handwriting is clear. Sometimes when you upload, it's not clearly be seen. What about the question that you have marked? It is over. What the total mark for that question? I don't understand. Muhammad Danish, what are you trying to ask me? Question that you have marked it over. What the total mark for question 3 for test 2? It's 30. Okay. Okay, that question 30 marks. So please try to write a longer step. You make sure you do the calculation one by one. Don't skip the step, okay? Okay, so is there any question? And then please make sure read the question carefully, one by one. Don't miss any point. So for EA you have 24 hours. So make sure you read one by one what the question want. Don't miss anything, because it is a EA, so the question would be longer. So you need to read it carefully. Okay, so it's already at 12. So good luck for your EA. I will try to help you all, but please you all help me as well. Don't give an empty paper. Okay. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Oh, this is our last class, huh? Okay. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.